welcome to Hell of a Cake, and today we'll be doing a wood effect board. And today you'll need a rolling pin, a cake board 13 inch, water, a paintbrush, a pastry brush, a sharp knife, a smoother, impression matte wood effect, 3 food colourings, 2 brown and 1 yellow, some sugar paste and an airbrush machine. I've got a handy tip here for you. What I normally do is I normally put my sugar paste in the microwave and count to 10. Once you've counted to 10, remove it and then knead. All this does is help loosen it up, and you don't have to knead for ages. I'll take the rolling pin and just roll it out until it gets the size of the board. Once the icing's the size of the board, just pick up your pastry brush and just apply water all over the board. Pop your rolling pin in between the sugar paste and then bring it back. Once you've done this, pop your board up the top. Put your fingers on the rolling pin at each side and just gather it up and run your rolling pin up. Take your smoother and just rub it over the top of the sugar paste. Once you've finished smoothing it out, just cut around the edges with a sharp knife, taking away the excess sugar paste. Now we need to take the impression mat and pop it in the right hand corner so it's all lined up, and then press firmly down and then place it back up and you should have your impression. Carry that along right away to the other side of the board. To obtain the wooden floor effect, simply stagger the impression mat position as demonstrated in the video. To make the wooden floor look more effective, simply run the knife around each panel as shown on the video. To save time, I've already hand painted the wooden knots. This is done to enhance them. Mix food colouring with water using your paintbrush. Then apply to the grooves to obtain a darker colour. Apply some brown food colouring to the airbrush machine and then slowly apply it to the board. Top up the airbrush machine with yellow and then spray it on the board. This will enhance the colour. Add more brown to obtain the colour of your choice. look of the board, I apply Shell and Shine. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel.